Welcome to the Jinbei HD-250MAX Outdoor Flash Operation Tutorial. Jinbei proudly introduces the all-new HD-250MAX lightweight, smart outdoor flash, featuring a detachable flash tube, built-in 12 bi color modeling light, stand locking knob, head locking handle, Jinbei S quad lock mount, release button. Also includes a dedicated umbrella port. The control panel is located on the front and includes full-color touchscreen, home button, power button, test flash button, group indicator. Below the flash unit, 3.5 毫米 flash sync port, Type-C firmware upgrade port, light sensor. First, assemble the base. Insert the flash into the top of the light stand and secure it with the locking knob. Adjust the flash to your desired angle. Then tighten the lock handle. 将闪光灯管插进对应孔洞。Align the reflector or accessory with the quad lock mount. Then rotate clockwise to lock it in place. Press and hold the release button and turn counterclockwise to remove an accessory. Align the battery with the rear slot and push it down to install. To remove the battery, slide the release button and lift it out. The battery supports over 450 power flashes per charge. Press the battery indicator to check remaining power. Insert the power adapter into the Type-C charging port to begin charging. When all 4 indicators turn green, charging is complete. Supports PD fast charging, fully charges in 100分钟 use. Long press the power button. Once the screen lights up, tap the central icon to enter the menu. On the main screen, tap the left, right icons or drag the slider to adjust the power level. Tap the mode icon to toggle between manual M and TTL auto modes. Swipe left on the main screen. E to access menu E. Tap the channel icon to set the channel. 1到31 using the arrows or slider. AU auto sync is supported. Tap the group icon to adjust the group view using the arrows or slider. The group indicator will change color accordingly. Tap the wireless signal icon to configure the wireless source, TTL. Compatible with TRQ8, TRQ711Q7, TRQ61 triggers and main units with composite hot shoe lights. The CH-GR is compatible with the TRV6V6E flash seeker. CH compatible with the 3A9 TRSV triggers. TTL is not supported. Tap the wireless sync icon to set sync options. Supporting front, rear curtain sync and HSS high-speed sync. Tap the freeze icon to adjust the flash duration. Options include T0.1, T0.5 or disable freeze. Tap the settings icon to access further options. Strobe flash. Standby mode. Beep settings. TTL to M conversion. Light sensitivity. Screen brightness. Master control mode. Sleep timer. Auto power off. Language switching. Parameter display. Factory reset. Press the home button repeatedly to return to the main screen. Long press to lock, unlock the screen. Long press to lock, unlock the screen to access manual R4 masking functions. Tap the delay flash icon. Use the arrows or slider to set the delay time. Swipe right on the main screen to access modeling light settings, where you can adjust the power, proportional mode, color temperature, on/off state, and other parameters. When the wireless mode is compatible with external triggers, set the flash and trigger CH/GR to the same. Then you can adjust the parameters and start flashing. Download HDR50MAX firmware at romjinbei.com. With the flash turned off, connect via Type-C cable. Drag firmware file to update. Power on the HDR50MAX it as ready to use. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment or contact us via the official Jinbei account. Thank you for watching.